Hey everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations, and thank you for stopping by. Today I have a Dollar Tree haul and a Walmart haul. So let's start with the Dollar Tree haul. I stopped in there and grabbed a few things, not a lot of items, and there was some items on my wish list that I could not find. So first I got the sticker book. So I got this to make ATC cards. We'll go through it quickly here. Like Disney princesses. This first page is my favorite. So there's that. I got this case last year, so I grabbed another one. These really come in handy, the storage containers. I like those. So I got that. Next, I grabbed 3 acrylic boards. I may have an idea for this, so I'm hoping it will work. Next, I got these binder clips to go with the acrylic board. I got this stretch cording, and this is for hopefully making some journals when I'm not crocheting or making jewelry. Every time I go to the Dollar Tree, I try to pick one of these notebooks up while they still have them. So I grabbed that. Next, I grabbed these coin envelopes. I'm hoping to use them for journals. They're 3.2 inch by 4.5 inch. I was looking for other items, but they did not have them. Next, I got this glitter in the pack, and it comes with, what is this, 0.5 ounces per bottle. So got some pretty colors there. Next, I just grabbed this 3-pack of composition books. Then I grabbed this glitter, this other pack of glitter. So this is kind of like a, I don't know what color this is, but got this one, this green one, and this one here. So I'm hoping the glitter will work out. So on to our Walmart haul. So I got this Hello Hobby 13-inch portable trimmer. All my trimmers are in my storage unit. I have several of trimmers, and you can't get to them. They're about 300 miles away. So this is the trimmer I'm going to be using. Next, I got this Red Heart Super Saver, which I already have some. The Retro Stripes is one of my favorites. This was on clearance for $2.50, and it was almost $9 original price at my store. Couldn't beat the price, so I grabbed 2 of them. Pretty excited over that. Next, this was also on clearance, so I grabbed it, and it was only $2. And it's Mandala Sparkling in the color Aquarius. I grabbed 2 cakes of those. Very good deal on that. Next, I couldn't beat the deal on these. Sizes 6, 7, and 8. 7-piece ring set for $5. And I love, this one is super cute. Next, I got these paper clips. I got them at Walmart because this was 97 cents and this was only $1 something. So I believe they were both cheaper than the Dollar Tree. And it's made by Pen Gear. This glitter was on clearance for $3, and this one is Sapphire, and I grabbed another one that was on clearance, and this one is Onyx, which is the name of our dog that's here. Her name is Onyx as well. Next, I found these gemstones assorted, and I only think these were on clearance, but these were only like about 4 something. So I grabbed one of those. And everybody's been hauling the composition notebooks. So these were only 38 cents. So I only grabbed 2 for now. And then my husband grabbed this notebook. He designs things. And he always needs graph paper, but they never have it in notebook style. Oh, I forgot this. I got this hole punch. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Hit the like button. Leave me a comment or emoji. I would love that. And I'll see you all in my next video. Happy crafting.